welcome to another video of Rat Street Daily. It's your boy Roddy. Today I started working on the car. I'm removing the wrap, but I ran into a little problem. It started raining and it's kind of cold, so I was literally fighting with the wrap, but now I have it all off and still raining, but we're gonna fix all that. Don't mind my messy garage, please. I know it's a little messy, but put my slippers on here because I'm home. I'm not going anywhere. Just about to take out this beast here because it's kind of raining right now. So it just stopped raining, like literally 2 minutes ago, as I'm recording this. And now, as you see, now I gotta, basically bondo that a little bit, take out the dent a little bit. Gotta take out this dent right here. But the doors are pretty much good. It's just that I had 2 layers of wrap on it, and he actually dug more in. It's a good thing I had it because it dug more into the wrap than actually into the door. So I don't have to do much there. And I'm only gonna work on this for now. I'm gonna leave this side for a later date because that's gonna be a whole story. I have to really decide what I'm gonna do with that panel. If I'm gonna replace the whole entire panel, or I'm gonna just wrap it and try to bondo it like how I did right that little section. So other than that, we're about to take this out. So just like that, we are going to go ahead. I'm gonna do the work that I need to do to get it ready for the wrap, and I might change it up a bit. So I'm gonna change it up a bit and actually make it like how I have the 240. But let's go take a look at this car, man. To be honest, let's go look at this car. To go ahead and start prepping this car for wrap again. So there's a few things I have to do. Let me show you. So for the dents and the scratches, I gotta remove those, but bondo that, get it out. I'll take out the dents, and then all this the glue from the wrap that was on there, I gotta get that off. And once I get all that off, then I'll be able to do some binder work here just to get those little dents out there. This is not too crazy here, but once that is all out, then hopefully by tonight I should be able to start wrapping, because I just want to get this back to where it was as fast as possible. At this moment, go ahead and like this video and share this video, subscribe and comment on the bottom, and so that this way I could know how I'm doing, and this way we could prepare for more content that's coming up in the future. So enjoy. guys, that's it. I was what time is it? 7:16, 7:15. Yeah, it's been crazy. It's been a crazy day. But it come out pretty well. I'm pretty satisfied. It's not that bad. I got rid of the dents. Now I sand it down and whatnot. It's nice and smooth. It's not perfect, but like I said, I'm still learning. I'm not a professional body guy, so don't think that, you know, I'm a professional. I'm not. But yeah, man, and that's it. I'm gonna start wrapping it now, and spend like a few more hours on there, and I should be good to go for tonight. And I should be able to get some of the I want to start on the door tonight because I want to actually work on the fender, because the fender has some ripples in it that I'm not really sure about. But what I'm gonna do, because I know the carbon fiber wrap, it kind of hides a little bit of dents. So like if you have like a major dent, you won't really see it too much. So like I'm thinking with the matte finish, you're gonna see all the ripples and stuff. So because I'm gonna be doing a design in the wrap, I'm gonna try to hide the ripples as much as I possibly can and see how it turns out. Because guess what? I can always rip it back apart if I don't like it. So if you like what you see, and thank you for tuning in. This is Rad Street Daily. This is your boy Roddy, and I'm about to start wrapping this thing. So stay tuned for the next video, and that should have the final wrap in it. All right, finished end product. All right, see you. Peace.